Now, why this is the reason that Singapore property always seem to do well? Remember to check out the other 9 more reasons in the next video. And the first reason is this: Singapore property prices consistently perform well because of the implementation of the 15 rounds of cooling measures. You may be thinking, what? This appears to be bad news. Yes, that's true. Bad news for speculators, as it restricts their ability to purchase multiple properties and do questionable things in the past, like quickly flipping the property or option sales. Actually, these 15 cooling measures have had a positive impact on the market. Let me explain. Prior to 2009, if you look at the property price chart, the real estate market experienced a significant price swing. It just looked like a roller coaster. Even after the introduction of cooling measures starting from 2009, seasonal movements were still observed. Property price movements have become more gradual and, more importantly, more sustainable. Of course, there have been outliers such as the spike in price post-2019 after COVID, and that is due to pent-up demand and the enormous liquidity in the market due to COVID. It is important to observe that the cooling measures have become systemic, meaning even with future new cooling measures, it is unlikely to cause the price to crash. What the government wants is to get a property price to appreciate in a sustainable manner. And that is why you see that currently property prices are experiencing single-digit growth year to year. The future ramp will depend on factors such as the possibility of additional quantitative easing in 2024 or changes in interest rates. But in short, the 15 rounds of cooling measures have had a positive impact on market stability by discouraging speculation. Buyers of residential properties are now required to hold on to their properties for at least 3 years before selling, or they will incur a seller stamp duty. This encourages serious mid to long-term property buyers and investors who are primarily focused on own-stay properties or second properties that they are willing to hold for longer periods. But the most effective measures by far, in my opinion, is the additional measures like additional buyer stamp duty, ABSD, total debt servicing ratio, TDSR, and lower loan to value, LTV ratios, which helps to further stabilize the market. In turn, this helps the Singapore property market to be a stable and attractive investment option while still allowing potential for capital appreciation. Good, right? So if you would like to learn more about how to take advantage of today's cooling measure and discover some little known undervalued properties, simply reach out to me and my team and connect with us. This is Kim, helping you taking the next step from Singapore Property Pro. See you in the next video.